So currently it's sitting right here on top of the monitor there. I do have lights, so it looks brighter. Maybe I'll turn the light off and do it and see how it works without extra lights and stuff. Currently also I'm using an external microphone. I'll go ahead and take those out and then see how that works. Alright guys, in this video I'll be reviewing this little camera right here. My brother-in-law actually picked it up and I thought I'd take a look and see how it works. And for the price, you know, it's $56.99 for a 4K wide angle camera. It's pretty good, pretty clear. The only thing, I mean, the audio, which is the mics on here, not that impressed. So this is the mic that I'm currently using is the mic that's on the webcam itself. Let me switch over to my other mic, and you should be able to tell the difference on the sound. So the only thing that I don't like about it is the mic on it. It's not as good, or it's also not that great in low light either. I have extra lights running, you know, so that's giving it more clarity. Other than that, pretty good. If you add extra lights and a different mic for the purpose of just a camera, it gets the job done. It's pretty good. I'll put a link in the description if you wanted to check it out and pick it up. For its price, I'd totally recommend it. But if you're looking for something all-in-one with a great mic and low light camera, this wouldn't be it. You'd have to add more to it. Comes with a little stand. I have it sitting on my computer screen right now. I like it there better because it's too close if you put it on the stand, and it's an upward view, not that great. But on top of your monitor, it works perfect. I also have a tripod, a longer one that I normally use. But again, for the price, you can't beat it. Good little webcam. This is being recorded on this webcam itself right now, so you can see the quality. Let me change the background. Let's see if that makes a difference here. So let's see, it's not bad, it's pretty good. And if I were to take the background out altogether, you see my green screen in the back. But overall, good camera, good clarity. Definitely recommend it. Anyway, if you were thinking about getting a webcam that is, not too costly, this would definitely be one of my recommendations. Hope this video helped. See you guys in the next video.